Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about ECOMHUNT.com. Now obviously guys, there are a lot of resources that are available. There are different tools that are available. If you're thinking about dropshipping, then you should definitely be using it. One of the major things that you need to understand and obviously keep in mind is the fact that you need to understand and know the right products to get. And that is the reason why we are bringing all these amazing videos to you guys to ensure that you are always up to date with the right information, and whenever you get the right information, you'll be able to select the right product to sell online. And remember guys, one of the cornerstones of success is knowing exactly what to sell and how to sell it, and ECOMHUNT gives you the complete breakdown. And I love the fact that they have so many tools that are available on Ecom. You have the Ecom Classic, you have the ECOMHUNT Live, where you can find the trends before everyone else using the live up-to-date information, and their traditional is handpicked research by their expert winning products finders. And if you don't know what to sell guys, discover under the radar winning products based on algo. You can even get the track performance over time and monitor sales to find the next big opportunities before anyone else. And your AliExpress product research virtual assistant Adam is always there to help you. You can hunt down your competition and Shopify stores and Facebook ads with a click guys, and there's so many resources, just as the courses, the ebooks, and the YouTube and the podcast and the community, where you can connect with like-minded sellers and see what's working and stay on the cutting edge of the e-com world. A podcast that's all about the top dropshipping sellers and how they have built successful online store groups, and daily videos about the e-commerce marketing, dropshipping mindset, success, and so much more, and a free ebook for you about everything that you need to run a successful online store. You can even explore the courses and jump right to the e-com journey. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about ECOMHUNT is the fact that they have this classical ECOMHUNT where you can find traditional hand-picked research and expert winning products. And the main thing over here you got to understand guys is the fact that whenever you're selecting a product, there's different elements that you need to keep in mind. And one of the things that you really need to understand is the fact that whenever there is a product, you need to understand the breakdown of the products. If there's a product you want to look at, all you need to do is click on it and it'll take you to the next page. On this page you can see the complete breakdown of what this product is about. And the most interesting thing guys is that you can see what the selling price is, what the product cost is, and what is the profit margin. One of the major things guys that you gotta keep in mind whenever you're looking for a particular product is the amount of interest that product tends to have in the industry. Now, one of the things that a lot of people make a mistake, and especially individuals that are just starting off in this industry and don't understand the strategy properly, is the fact that they go for a very wide range of products. Diversifying your portfolio at the initial stages is one of the basic mistakes that you should not do. You should research and select the right product, and obviously find the right product from ECOMHUNT, because they give you the chance to actually understand what product is actually working. Focus on one product and bring that product to the market on your dropshipping accounts. And obviously once that happens, and only then should you grow your portfolio. And the best actual niche to enter is going to be the electronics needs, because the electronic needs gives you a variety of elements. It never gets expired, you can store it quite easily, and you can always increase the price for it to heights that have never known before. Imagine if you can get a product for as low as 1 cent or 50 cents or $1 for that matter. You can sell it for $4.99, $9.99, $19.99 and make a healthy profit off it. The main element guys for you to understand is selecting a product that can be scaled and be taken to very high heights and make a huge profit margin on top of it. Now, if you want to find other products, you can always check out the videos that we've made, which are available on our channels, because I want to bring you the right information. I want to give you the right strategies and the tips that you can use to scale your business. And obviously, if you want to find this product and see it on AliExpress, all you need to do is just click on see it on AliExpress, and it'll take you directly to AliExpress where you can see this product that's going to be made available. This is for $3.62. You can actually sell it for $19.06 and make a profit of $14 or more on it. Now, as you can see, this product is available with the full description, the details, and obviously the breakdown about this information. And obviously, one of the things I always mention to individuals whenever they're on these websites, these tools, because they give you the complete breakdown of finding the right product, to get the right product to put on your Shopify account, to put it on your Amazon account, to put it on your eBay account. And obviously, as you put it on eBay account, you can clearly see that this does have a huge potential. So for example, if you look at this product over here, this is an alloy folding magnetic car phone holder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see that the selling price is $14.78, the product cost is $1.78, and the profit margin is 13. So what we're going to do is that we're going to copy this information from here. Once we copy it, we're going to head over to the eBay Seller Hub, and then we have to go to research. As we click on research, what we're going to do now is that we're going to check out the potential that this particular product tends to have. And obviously, once we understand the potential that this product tends to have, only then would be able to actually grasp the power of this. We're going to copy and paste this over here, and we're going to actually select this one, which is the alloy folding magnetic car phone holder, and see in the last 1 year how much profit this particular element has made. The average selling price was $9.22. The average shipping was $5. The free shipping was 96%. A total sold were 472,000. There's 14,000 sellers, and a total sale of $4.3 million has been done. You can clearly see the graph that every single day that this product has been sold. Now this is where I want to stop and mention something which is very important, guys. There's something called limitations. There's limitations of age, there's limitations of gender, and there's limitations of location. So you want to sell a product that's going to be applicable to every single age group, is going to be applicable to every single gender, and it's going to be applicable to every single location. Because if anyone has a car, then they would definitely be selling this particular product. Now if you scroll down, you can see individuals and see how much money they've made. Now looking at all these elements, this person's made 10,000, 11,000, 31,000, 40,000, 29,000, 30,000, and look at the amount of money that has been made by all these individuals selling similar products to those products that we have seen, and making huge amounts of money from one particular product. Imagine if you have 2 or 3 products of the similar kind, how much money you could be making. This person made $10,000 just off one product. And guys, that is the true power of finding the information, finding the right product that is selling over here, taking that product and doing your research on, for example, on AliExpress, doing the research on eBay, and finding the potential the product tends to have. And obviously, once you have a tool of this nature, you can clearly see the amount of profit that you can make, and select the products that are evergreen and base your business upon those principles. Now guys, the most important thing is research. The more research that you're able to do, the right products you're able to find, you'll be able to scale your business to height that is never known before, and break away from the 9-to-5 and actually get the financial freedom that you always wanted, and be able to start a multiple streams of income for yourself. Now if you've got any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.